Kuhitukira ndumiriri yake rathomirwo ni mwandiki mukaru wa ministry ya maai Professor Fred Segar wamaraugite ati ni mararutithania wira na bodi ya guthurima maai ro ndume na bodi ya kuheana maai gutigirira ati thina uyu ni wahuka kaimana.
To tackle this challenge, we are at an advanced stage of formulating a national policy on non-revenue water management in the country. We expect the county governments to implement the tenets of the policy once it is finalized.
Makiria muguo Segar ni arugire ati ni marakaritwo ni aruti wira bodi-ini ino ya maai aria makoretwo matekuriha maruni mao kuri ministry akigena akiuga ati ni megukinyukirio makinya ma kiwatho.
This is a serious issue that has to be dealt with by all of us, as we cannot continue to lose revenue that is key to water sector development and sustainability.
Mweneni wa kugithia kigena ministry ino ya maai Segar ugite ati ni wongererekete na gicunji kinene kuma ciringi bilioni 2 mwaka-ini wa 2003-2004 nginyagia ciringi bilioni 40 mwaka-ini uyu. Oroho Segar ni araugire ati ni mekugathika mitaratara mirumiru ya gutigirira ati thina uyu wa unyihu wa maai ni wahuka kaimana guku bururi-ini.
Indeed, investment in the sector has increased from Kenya shillings 2 billion in 2003-2004 financial year to the current level of about Kenya shillings 40 billion. The water coverage levels have also increased from around 30% then refers to 2003-2004 financial year to the current level of 60%.
Segar aheanaga uhoro uyu ari mukawa-ini umwe Naivasha kuria maratunganite na nene a bodi ya ruhonge rwa maai guku bururi-ini. Ngiripotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.